Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 31. Okay, so in this video we are discussing about JavaScript functions from zero to advanced. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about immediately invoked function expression. Okay, and in short we can say IIFE. Okay, so what are they? IIFEs are functions that are executed immediately after they are defined. So what is the mean of this? This is little confusing. So we will understand this line using the code. Okay. So through the code, we will understand this. So let me click this. Okay. So as you already know, I have two files. One is index.html, second is app.js. Inside the index.html, I have created the basic boiler template of HTML, and I also linked the app.js through script tag. Okay, using src attribute. Okay, like this, we can link. Okay, so inside the app.js, I'll go and I will write some testing statement, whether it's working or not. Testing. Okay. Okay, so it is working. Output is coming. So here we will write, as we already know how we can create the function. Okay, we will learn IIFE as well. But as we know how we can create the function, we create the function like this. We write the function name, like for example, demo is a function name, and we will write some console.log and hello world like that. Okay, will it work? No, it is not working. Why? We are not calling. So we need to call the function. Now it will work. Yeah, it is working. Okay, tell me, can I remove this demo function name? Yeah, you can remove, sure. But if you're removing, make sure you are assigning this function into a variable. Okay, so now error removed. No, error is not removed because you are calling demo, but there is no such demo word. So what you will do through a, you can call this function because a containing the function. So now it will work. Yes, it will work now. Okay, fine. Okay, now tell me, can I remove this function keyword? Yes, you can remove, but error is coming. So remember one thing, when you are removing this function keyword, make sure you are applying arrow. Okay, so error will come. No, now error will not come. So when you remove the function keyword, you should apply arrow. Okay, fine. So what's the mean of this IIFE? IIFE. Okay, so what is the mean of IIFE? So let's see. So for example, I'm creating a function demo, right? And I'm writing here console.log. Okay, I am testing function of demo. Okay, like that I've written this, and what I have to do, can I remove this demo? Can I remove this demo? But error is coming. So if you are removing demos, you have to store this function inside a variable. No, I don't want to store this function inside a variable. Then what is the solution? What I'm saying, you can store this function in a variable, then error will not come. See, error is not coming, but I don't want to store like this. I don't want to store. So if you don't want to store, so what you can do, you can keep this function inside the parenthesis, means inside the bracket. So tell me, error will come? No, now error is not coming. So when you are not assigning your function in another variable, then you have to apply this brackets. Okay. So like tell me, how will I call this function? Because I don't have any function name, and I also don't have variable who is assigning this function. So through demo I cannot call, through demo I cannot call, and through a I cannot call because it is not assigning in a, and the function name is also not there. Then what I will do, so we will call this function immediately when we close the parenthesis. After that we will call this function. Okay, because this function don't have any name, so we are not writing any name, and we are calling this function. So this is what calling of the function. Okay, I am testing function of demo. So this is known as immediate call. Suppose if you want, like I don't want to call here, I want to call it line number 6. Will it work? Yeah, it okay, it is working, but what you are doing, you are creating the function and immediately you are calling this function, right? Suppose you are writing something like this. In between calling your function, you are writing this another statement. So will it work? No, it will not work. If you are creating a function without any name and you are not assigning that function inside any variable, you should call this function immediately. That's why this function is known as immediately invoke function. Okay, see, this is what immediately invoke the function expression. Okay, so it means you have to invoke it immediately, right? So this is how. Okay, so what we have learned, suppose we have creating a function demo, and I'm writing here console.log. This is a demo function. Okay, All right. So how we will call this function? We will call this function through demo. This is simple, and it is calling. Okay. So can I remove this? Yes, you can remove this, and you can store this inside a variable. No deal. No big deal. Okay. But error is still coming because there is no demo function. You have to call this through a, because this function assign in a. Okay. Fine. It is working. Now I want to remove this a. Then how? There is no name. No name. So will it work? No, it will not work. If you are not assigning a function in any variable, just put it inside the parenthesis bracket. Okay. And it will work. But don't give here semicolon. If you will go give semicolon here, means it will not work. Means you are ending the statement. Don't add the statement. First call the statement and then end. This through the empty parenthesis, we are calling this function which don't have any name. Okay. So this is known as immediately invoke function. All right. I hope you understood now. Thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss more examples of the function. Right. Okay. Thank you everyone.